everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. It's Barbara with another unboxing. If you're new to my channel, I do style unboxing. So personal styling service that deliver clothes to your home. You pick what you want, you try them on, you send back what you don't want, or you buy the entire box, which I am still trying to do. So I'm looking for that full box. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I know some of you are having coffee right now, so I've already had mine. So good morning. Okay, so let's get to this box. You're probably wondering which one I have today, and I have Stitch Fix. I actually opened it, but I haven't peeked inside. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a personal styling service that delivers to your home. You fill out a styling service. They send you, I think, 5 items. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. If you, lost my train of thought. It's $20 styling fee, and that styling fee gets applied to your purchase. Now I know a lot of people get the styling pass, but I tried to get the styling pass and they denied me. They said they only gave out so many, so if you got one, you're lucky. And the styling pass is, I think, $49 for the year. But I'm paying per box $20, and anything I buy, that $20 goes towards my purchase. So it's okay. And if you're interested in giving them a try, I'll have a referral code. You'll get $25 credit towards your first purchase, and I'll get a $25 credit. So it'll be a win-win. So, okay, let's dive into this. Here's my box, the little bundle, and my paperwork. And I'm not going to, well, let me see who my stylist is. This is Fix number, I think 5. Let's see. Fix number, oh, I think it's 5. Okay, let's take a look. Now I'm gonna look at the sheet. Number 5, who's my stylist? Carol. I had Carol for my last 2 boxes, and I know my very first 2 boxes were with Lizzie. Let's see what she says. Happy Fix Day, Barbara. I hope this fix finds you doing well. I was so sorry that your last fix was a disappointment. I started with the printed pants by blah, blah, blah. And she goes into what she did here. So I'm not gonna read all that, but I didn't keep anything from my last fix. So let's move on. And let's see if I can find something that I love. And if I love it, I'm buying it. If I just like it and I have to think about it too much, more than likely I'm returning it. Okay. Oh, these look nice. So I'm gonna do a quick run through, and then I'll do the try on, and on the screen you will see the information for each item. Oh, look at these sleeves. I think this is a barber shirt. I think so. It's a nice, just pull over, simple shirt. Dress it up, dress it down. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be a barber shirt. Okay, Carol, we're off to a good start. Okay, what is this? This looks like a sweatshirt, but it has a detail on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's, nice. It's like a sweater / sweatshirt. Okay. Oh, stripes. I always seem to get stripes. Oh, a dress. A nice, simple, casual dress. Oh, I love the feel of this. I like the color. It looks like it's a navy, not a black, but I could be wrong. It has the solid color on the sleeve and around the neck. So that could be interesting. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love these. I hope these fit. They're like a navy. I'm showing you the back. They have the zipper on the side. No, that is a pocket. And I like the flat panel because I've got some pooching going on, so I want to suck it in. Look at the material. Isn't that beautiful? Love this color. Surprise, I'm not a blue person typically. Oh, looks like a straight leg. They don't look like skinnies. So, oh, Carol, I'm liking these. Okay, I think I asked for a pair of black jeans. I've been wanting a pair of black jeans, so let's see, what are these? Cut from the cloth. Is there any stretch? These look like these will fit. And I think that's a straight leg. So, oh, I'm excited. I haven't been this excited in one of my fixes for the last couple boxes. So it's, you know, you just got to get to know, your stylist needs to get to know what you like, and it's communicating and filling out your Pinterest board and everything. So, okay, I'm done talking. Let's get these on and see what they look like. Okay, I have to admit, this is pretty cute. This is the Market and Spruce dress. I think it's $64. It's a medium, so I'm not sure if maybe it's a little big on me, but I think it's supposed to be loose. It is navy. It feels wonderful. I love how the length is perfect. It is kind of scalloped. I guess you call that scalloped, where it goes up a little bit. And it has the nice buttons on the back. So, I mean, it's a really nice, simple dress. Do I love it? I don't know. I really like it. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence because, I mean, I could wear this as a bathing suit cover up, or I tried it on with heels, it doesn't look right. With it being short sleeves, I'm thinking it's more of a summer shirt, and it does fit. I'm not sure of the material. I think a small would be too small. It might get too clingy in the hips. I like the ease of this dress. Just pull it, put it on, put some gym shoes on, and you're good for the day. So I don't know, I'm kind of liking this. If I like the rest of the box and it works out, I will probably keep this and I will wear it. I do like it. So you guys tell me what you think. Is it a Barbara dress? I don't know. Let's see what's next. Okay, I have to tell you, I like this. I really do. This shirt is the Leo and Nicole, and it's a small. It's navy, it's $64, and the jeans are the cut from the cloth, Maribel, and they're $88. And they're straight legs, and they're black, and I like them a lot. So, let me show you the outfit. Let me show you actually the detail in this little crocheting or stitching. It's really pretty. It kind of helps make the shirt. I think it's supposed to be big, but it's not boxy, so that's okay. The jeans, they're a little long, and I tried rolling them up, but they don't look right. Straight legs on these didn't look right, rolled up. So I can live with too long. I can work with too long, but it's the too short that I have a problem with. So let's take a look at this. What do you guys think? So the jeans have stretch in them. Thank you. They're just your standard mid-rise jeans with the pockets. They're just, I like them. I like them a lot. I think them being a little loose, the fit is a little bit better because I have gained some poochiness that works better with these than the skinnies. Let's see, the top. I think that I could probably go down a size, but maybe it's just supposed to be made to fit big, because it's kind of like, it's not a sweater, it's not a sweatshirt. To me, it's a sweater. It's really nice and soft, and then you have the little ribbing there. So I don't know, I think it's really nice. What do you guys think? Okay, last outfit, here we go. This is a Barbara shirt. I'm sure you guys didn't realize that. Okay, here's the outfit. So let's talk about this. Okay, this shirt I love. It's not really fitted, but it's not boxy, so it's really probably perfect. The length is good. It's by CC. This shirt is a size small, and it's $78. What's going on with these prices? $78 is a lot to pay for a shirt, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so the shirt is nice, right? And then these pants. Okay, they're by Margaret M. They're a size medium. They're $98. They have the flat, they feel a little big, but a small would be too small. Let's see. So the flat panel, which I love the print. I love the zipper detail on these. Although with me, I'm not sure if you'd ever see them because I don't usually tuck in, but you never know. We always change our minds. Okay, so I love that. The material feels great. They do have a pocket in the back. I can't tell if this is a working pocket. I don't think so, actually. No, it's not a working pocket. They do feel a little big, actually. They're really gathering here. And let's see. They are a little short for my liking. They're not too short, but they're kind of borderline short. I love the little slit on the side. That's a little sexiness going on. I don't know. I'm on the fence with these. I was so hopeful. I would almost rather they were skinnies or flared or something. I don't know. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, so this box was so much more me than my last two boxes. So Carol, thank you. You did a great job. Let's just kind of go through some prices. This is an expensive box. The total for all 5 items is $392. That's a lot. If I buy all, 25% discount, and then also my $20 styling fee. I have real estate brain. $20 credit styling fee. My total will be $274. Okay, so for $274, I'm gonna have to love everything to spend that much money. And honestly, I don't love everything. I like everything a lot. I really do. Okay, so this shirt I love, but it's $78. And I've already invested $20, so technically I would pay another $58 if this was the only item I was keeping. That's still a lot. That's still a lot. And I have similar shirts, that's just it. I do have similar shirts. So I'm gonna think about that. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, the striped dress, I like the fit of it. I'm not sure I really like the pattern, and it's $64. So I'm probably not keeping the entire box, not for $274. That's just too much. So this is going to be a no. I like the fit, I like the idea of it, but this particular one, and I don't know, maybe it's because of the collar being a solid, I don't know. I can't tell you why. Just something about it. I like it, but I don't love it. Okay, this sweater I like. I really do. I'm surprised because it's really not my, what I would normally reach for, but I would wear this. I do like it. It's a small, it's $64. I don't know. See, without an additional discount, do I love it enough to keep it? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look at the video and try them on again. All right, cut from the cloth jeans, the black jeans. I've been wanting a pair of black jeans. They are $88. They fit great. I'm probably gonna have to have them hemmed because I will wear heels with them, but they're still too long. So these are probably going to be a keeper at $88, and which is a standard price, I think, for these. So this will probably be a keeper. At least I'll keep one thing at least. These pants. Oh my gosh, look at, the detail on these. I love the detail. I love the feel. I like the color. I like the little black that is running through it, but the fit's just not right. And for, how much were these? I think they were a little pricey. $98. Yeah, for $98 they need the fit right, but they sure are cute. I mean, I would love to have a pair of these. They need to be a little longer and the fit needs to be a little bit better. So and it's, I'm between sizes. I know a small would not fit. A small would just not look right. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Give me your honest opinion on what I should keep, if I should keep the whole box, if I should just keep the cut from the cloth black jeans. This, as much as I love this, I don't think I can bring myself to pay $78 for it because I have similar shirts. And it's getting to the point where I have a lot of these kind of bell type sleeves. And honestly, how are you gonna wear a jacket with these? Because I mean, a lot of my shirts have the bell sleeves. So I think I need to just kind of pull it back a little bit with this type of sleeve. This shirt is warm. I'm getting really warm. But overall, I mean, I'm excited because my stylist did an excellent job. This is more of me. So again, let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell because there are many more unboxings coming. Thank you so much. Everyone have a great morning, afternoon, or evening.